sigurista. But any doctor would tell you that it is bad. Bad as bad. Biro mo, i-inject mo yung maraming naku. They are viruses na pinapasok sa katawan mo. Nabaskin ba sabihin mo na yung iba, patay? Pagdating yan doon sa katawan mo, mag-resurrection yan. So, you have a problem again. Yung pangalawa pa, check out the vaccinations that are being done daily. At baka pagsali ka na doon sa second shot mo para kumpleto na. Tama na yung 2 doses. Huwag ninyong surahan. Delikado.